Hey guys, this is Kendall. So we're about to start the UV curing process of this hardwood floors, and this is what makes our passive hardwood floor refinishing such a great service. Okay, like I said, it's a 2-day turnaround. I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you guys again what we're working with. Okay, so these floors were completely sanded yesterday, and we did our seal coat, and today we're gonna do our UV cure process. This is our UV cure machine warming up. Okay, and once we finish UV curing these floors, the client will be able to have full access of these floors tonight. All water-based product, there's no heavy odor. Our system that we use, our dust-free system, creates no dust. We did this job, and I'm gonna wipe my hands on the wall and show you absolutely no dust on my hands from this job that we did. So I'm gonna get this going with our UV cure. And yeah, this is another great job that we did. I'm gonna turn that on, and this is ready to go. All right, stay tuned for some more results. There go our green light. She's warming up, and she's ready to go.